Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hall. For this example, we're told that a Ferris wheel has a diameter of 20 meters and the center of the Ferris wheel is 12 meters off the ground. It takes 20 seconds for the Ferris wheel to make one complete revolution. The height in meters of a rider above the ground on the Ferris wheel after t seconds is given by the function below, which is the function h of t equals 10 sine of pi over 10 times t minus 5 plus 12, where t is greater or equal to 0. And we're asked to find the velocity of the rider after 5 seconds. So to find the velocity of the rider, we need to find the derivative of the function h of t, because the rate at which the height changes gives us the velocity of the rider. So applying the chain rule, we get that the derivative of h of t, h prime of t, is equal to 10 cosine of pi over 10 times t minus 5 times the derivative with respect to t of pi over 10 times t minus 5. Then plus the derivative of the constant 12, which is 0. And the derivative of pi over 10 times t minus 5 with respect to t is just pi over 10. So we get that this is equal to 10 times cosine of pi over 10 times t minus 5 times pi over 10, which is equal to pi times cosine of pi over 10 times t minus 5. And now we sub t equals 5 into the derivative h prime of t to get that h prime of 5 is equal to pi times cosine of pi over 10 times 5 minus 5, which is equal to pi times cosine of 0, which is equal to pi. So therefore, the velocity of the rider after 5 seconds is pi meters per second upwards. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.